Hey everybody, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today's video, you'll hear me reference a previous painting, which is this guy. You haven't seen a video for it because I hate this painting. However, I do like the idea that was born from this painting, which is just using 3 transparent colors. In this case, Quinacridone, nickel, Azo Gold, Golden's green gold, and a homemade like a phthalo blue color that I made up, and that's it. So thanks to this ugly painting for the inspiration, so you guys can ignore me talking about the previous video because you're never gonna see it because I hate it. Anyway, let me get you down. Hey guys, it's Karen. So in the last video I did a bloom on a 16 by 20, kind of out of desperation because I was having a really bad night. And full disclosure, it's the same night. And in that video, I was talking about the sheerness of the golden green gold color because it's incredibly transparent. And I said something about like, ooh, wouldn't it be interesting to pair it with Quinag and have a battle of the sheer colors. So I'm like, huh, I should do that. So I just finished the other painting like 5 minutes ago, and I mixed up some Quinag, and I'm going to go again this time on a chunky 16 by 20 and see what it looks like. So there's some fresh PPG MultiPro. Give this a quick torch for micro bubbles. Okay, and did I start with blue or green? I'm going to start with, I guess we'll start with Quinag. And then we'll do some green gold like on it and around it. Kind of like that. And then we'll do, this is a homemade blue that was manganese blue hue mixed with some Southern Ocean blue. And basically I made my own phthalo turquoise. This is what this color reminds me of. I could have just broke out the phthalo turquoise. I, you know, do things the hard way. And then this is, last color is just the regular golden iridescent gold fine, not the bright version, just the regular version. Something like that. And we're going to use oxide black CA. And give this a hearty blowout. Cool air high fan. Let's see what this looks like. Beautiful is what it looks like. Holy moly. Gonna puff in the middle. My new favorite thing is to use a bendy straw now because I'm a dork. But that way I don't have to get so close. I can just bend the straw. I am going to take out a little bit of that CA because my pipette from 10 minutes ago is still sitting here. Maybe a little more. Maybe some over here. Hold on. Yeah, that was a good spot. I'm going to do that again. Ooh, that took a lot out. I guess moment of truth. Good grief, I want to keep it just the way it is. Just a little baby spin so I can see what's going on. Oh, I had all these cute little baby cells and they're all going to roll off. Bummer. That's a real bummer. They were adorable. Yep, they're all sitting, hanging off the edge. I'm going to go. Is that a hair? Did I shed? I think I did. Hold on. Or I have a toothpick. Hold on. Let me see if I can get to it without messing up my art. Or is it my imagination? I see something. Yep. See it? Oh my goodness. That was an eagle eye on my part. I'm really good about that with resin too. I can spot a nit a mile away. All right, let me keep going. I'm wondering if I should add, let's see how close I get before I add paint. Goodbye, cute little cells at the bottom there. Off of one corner. Really close on the other two. Oh, see, I love that all quiet up there. Let me just add a tiny bit of paint. Just grab a spoon, put clean stuff here so it can run down. And just a little tiny bit right here. Give this another spin. I'm 2 for 2. I actually really like these little bits of white that are cutting in. And I like this dark area too. Yeah, I'm digging both of these. Very tropical. 2 tropical smoothies. All right, got my 4 corners. Fair amount of paint is running down the all 4 sides though. Hella tropical. One more spin the other way. I think this baby's good to go. Yeah, not much coming off the sides. That's good. wipe it off underneath. See if anything else catches my eye. Getting a couple speckles, the damn PPG, brand new can. I've been on a roll with them lately too, where the cans have been perfect. I will touch them up though. It is not worth me worrying about right now. There's not that many of them. Yeah, I mean, I think this one speaks for itself. Ta-da! Hey guys, I'm back with the dried results of this one. I threw it in a black floater frame. The art rule of threes was very applicable to this piece, and I think that's what makes the composition so great, is the Quinacridone and the green gold areas being in threes. And then there are parts of this one that just tickle me. Let me show you my favorite bits. I mean, the lacing. Oh my goodness. And then there's 3 little cells right there. And then up here, the watercolor effect. And then I love the drama of the middle. And usually I don't like that much black, but it works for this piece. I don't know why. It just does. And then down here, this little section tickles me too. And then like this little tiny area over here tickles me. I'm just very ticklish today. Anyway, there it is. I am definitely going to resin this one. It's so bright and bold. It kind of calls for it. And if you ask me how I decide, I just go by what I think is going to look good with the piece. If it's soft, then it just gets varnish. But this drama piece, this one calls for resin in my little pea brain. Anyway, that's it for me today. I hope you guys like it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Be well. Cause some good trouble. Love you guys. Peace out.